1. Welcome back to Excel with NS. Please like, share, follow TechieTrain on all social media platforms. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right into it. In the previous video, we answered a few questions on these data sets. In this video, we'll be answering a few questions. We'll answer the last question and move to the next data set of this video. Alright, for the final question of this data set, it says extract the last section of the code in C5, which is RRR. That is the last section of the code in C5. C5. That is this C6 here, which is RRR. You have to extract the last section of the code. To extract the last section of the code, we use the write function because we want this and this. So we use the write function. The write is to start from the ending of the text and return the specified number of characters. So we need from on this thing on C6, that's our range, that's our text. The number of characters we need 2 characters. Then we close our bracket, and there we have it. We have RR as the answer. With that, we have answered all the questions that have to do with this data set. We'll be moving on to the next data set questions, which is this, and the next data set we'll be using to answer those questions are these. This is the questions we'll be using to answer these data sets. So now, the first question states, replace the first 2 characters of the serial code in C2 with ID. That is, we have to replace the first 2 characters in C2 with ID. So we have to replace this C2 with ID. We have to replace this here. So to replace that, we use the replace function. Equals to the replace function, we get C2. Then the start number, we are starting with the first character. That is where we start from to replace. The number of characters that we need to replace will be 2 characters that we need to replace. And the new text we are replacing it with. We are replacing it with the text ID. So, like I said, the replace function is to replace text based on position, characters based on position, not the whole text. So, yeah, what this function is saying is that on C2, start from the first character. Replace the 2 characters with ID. Then close your bracket, and there we have it. We have our ID SN, this 44589. So the first question is in C2, so we are not to fill it. So, but we can see that we have replaced the first 2 characters here with ID. You can do the same for all. You see we've replaced all of them with ID, but that was not what was given to us. So we move on to the second question. The second question is, check if product names in B2 and B3 are exactly the same. Then we come over here, we are checking if B2 and B3 are exactly the same. Here we have chair, here we have table. We want to know if the characters in the 2 cells are exactly the same. That's where we come in with a new function called exact. Replaces characters based on their position. We replace characters one by one based on their position. But this exact function now is a new function that we are introducing today. So exact checks whether 2 text strings are exactly the same, then returns true or false. This is for Boolean values. We have Boolean values in this function. The function returns only Boolean values for us, whether it's true or false. We want to check if B2 and B3 are exactly the same. So what this is saying is check if what is in this cell B2 and what is in cell B3 are exactly the same. And here we have false because they are not the same. Here is chair, the other one is table, so they are not the same. in the first place. But if we replace this with b2, then it will give us true, because chair and chair is the same thing. So the exact function give us only Boolean values in return. And the third question, combine product name and serial code in one cell, that is B4 and C4. We have to combine B4 and C4, that is product name and serial code. Product name B4, lamp, and serial code SN. So what we are going to do, we are combining this and this in one cell. So let's do this. Before we have the lamp, to combine it we use this and is like is used to join two cells. This and function, this concatenation, I think, concatenation operator. This concatenation operator is used to join cells together. It's used to join things in Excel. So like what I'm doing now, this B4 and so is to join this B2 and B4 and C4 and C4. You can see we have lamp, SN, this and that. The two are joined in one cell, but it's not looking pleasing. So to do that, to make it pleasing, we put the and, we add this. Let's add a dash first of all. Then we'll put the and again. Why? Because this is this and this dash and this. We can also add another this thing, like we can add another stuff like and A4. So you can see it added everything. But what if we remove this? You can see this SN, there's this dash that wasn't here added to it to indicate two separate words. But what if we don't want a dash? What if we want something else instead of a dash, like a space bar? You can see there's a space. Anything added in between, anything added here now will be in between this. We can add, I can see there's a space in between. So this concatenation operator is used to join two different values in two different cells. That is what it's basically used for. The exact function is used to compare values if the values are true. Like let's say we have this. Let's convert this. Let's copy this. We have C2 is C2 and C7. If they are the same, here we have it true because this and this are true to each other. They are exactly the same, and that's why we have this. So to replace characters based on their position, we give the values. Like this function is basically saying on this C2, start from the first character, replace two characters with the word ID. So it's replacement based on position. True returns Boolean values when two cells are compared and they match, they are exactly the same. And this concatenation operator is to add two cell values together. And with that, we have answered all the questions for this video. In the next video, we'll answer the next question using this data set. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.